Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is me, Arusa Salim, from Peshawar Model School System. I'm your English teacher for Level 3 Hifzul Quran. My dear students, today we are going to start a new unit, a new chapter in our English books, which is unit number 2, Why Bears Have Short Tails. As you can see in the picture, this is a bear which is having a very small tail. Bear is a wild animal. Why these wild animals are having short tails, we are going to discuss in this chapter. This is chapter number 2 of your English books. So all of you should open your books as we are about to begin the reading and explanation. One day, Bear met Fox coming out of the woods. Fox was carrying a long string of fish. He had stolen the fish, but that is not what he told Bear. So the main characters of this story are a bear and a fox. Both the bear as well as the fox, they are wild animals which live in the jungle, which live in the forest. So what happened that one day Bear met Fox. Bear was going on his way and he met Fox, which was coming out of the woods. Woods means forest. The fox was coming out of the forest, and what was the fox carrying? The fox was carrying a long string of fish. As you can see in the picture that this is a fox coming out of the woods and it is carrying a long string, and this string was used to catch fish. He had stolen the fish, but that is not what he told the bear. As you can see that the fox is carrying a large fish in its hands, but the fox did not catch the fish. Instead, he stole the fish. But he was not going to tell the bear that I have stolen this fish. Where did you get those fish from? Asked Bear, rubbing his paws together. Now, what did the bear ask the fox that where did you get this fish from? Why he was asking? Because we know that bears love fish a lot. They like to eat fish. Rubbing his paws together means he was rubbing his hands together and asking the fox. Bear loved fish. It was his favorite food. What was the favorite food of bear? It was fish, and that is why he was asking the fox. I have been out fishing and caught them, replied fox. Dear students, as you know that fox is a very clever animal, so that is why the fox gave a very clever answer. The fox told a lie that I have caught this fish. And I have caught this fish by fishing with a string rod. It means that the fox was lying because it has stolen the fish. Bear did not know how to catch fish. He had only tasted fish that others gave him. Now Bear, he was very curious to know that what is the proper method of catching fish. He never caught fish in his life. He only tasted those fishes that other animals gave it to him. He was eager to catch his own fish. Eager means he was very curious. He wanted to know the process of catching the fish. Please, fox, will you tell me how to catch fish? Asked bear. Now the bear is requesting the fox that kindly tell me that what is the proper method of catching a fish with a fishing rod. Here is what the mean old fox said to bear. Cut the hole in the ice and stick your tail in the hole. Now the fox, which is a very clever animal, is guiding the bear but in a wrong way. The fox is telling the bear that what you have to do, you have to make a hole in the ice and you have to stick your tail in the hole. As you can see in the picture, the bear is sitting on a piece of ice. So the fox told that make a hole in ice and put your tail inside the hole. This was long ago when bear still had a long tail like fox. This story is very old, and at that time bear was having a long tail just like the tail of a fox. It will get cold, but soon the fish will begin to bite. The fox told the bear that after some time, due to the ice, your tail will get very cold and the fish will start biting your tail. When you understand it no longer, pull your tail out. When you can not bear it any longer and the fishes, they are biting your tail, pull off your tail from the hole. it will be covered with fish. It means that the fox said that this tail of yours will act as a string rod and a fishing rod, and when the tail is going to be bitten by the fishes, pull off your tail and it will be covered with a large amount of fish. Will it hurt? Asked bear, patting his tail. Now the bear, he was very much tense that if the fish will bite me, it will hurt a lot. So that is why he asked the fox that will it hurt? By patting means by smoothly rubbing his tail. It will hurt some, admitted fox, but the longer you leave your tail in the water, the more fish you will catch. The fox said that it will hurt some, you will get some pain as the fishes are going to bite your tail, but the longer time you leave your tail inside the water, the more amount of fish you are able to catch. So it means that the fox was misguiding the bear. Bear did as fox told him. He loved fish, so he left his tail in the ice for a long time. Now the bear, his favorite food was fish, so he left the tail in the water for a very long time. And what happened? The ice froze around bear's tail. Because of the extreme low temperature, ice froze around its tail. When he pulled free, his tail fell off, and when bear pulled his tail out of the hole, and it was already frozen, so it fell off, and that is why bears today have short tails. First it was a long tail, but due to this procedure it was frozen in the ice, and then his tail fell off, it cut off, and that is why bears today have short tails. Now what is your homework, my dear children? I hope you understood this unit. Now your homework is you have to open your books at the page of dictation words, and these 10 dictation words you have to write them in your books. Number 1, stolen. Number 2, rubbing. Number 3, favorite. Number 4, caught. Number 5, eager. Number 6, bite. Number 7, covered. Number 8, patting. Number 9, admitted. Number 10, pulled. So this is your homework, and your next homework after these dictation words is the handwriting page, which line you have to rewrite. Bear did not know how to catch fish. You have to write these lines on the handwriting page in a neat and clean and proper handwriting by following the handwriting pattern. So this is your homework, my dear students. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.